Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to help you resolve if your Windows 11 or Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer's volume is not working or changing properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in audio. One of the best results should show up as audio input volume control. Go ahead and select that. Should be an item underneath input that says choose a device for speaking or recording. Click the drop down here and you want to make sure that you have the correct device connected. It's possible you have an additional or duplicate device, so just go ahead and select the one you actually want to use here. And that should be the default one. Underneath audio, you can click where it says allow. So if it says don't allow, it means it's currently enabled, obviously. If it says don't allow, don't click on that because that's going to turn it off. Unless, of course, it's a secondary device that you do not want to keep on, you do not want the output coming out of. So obviously your speakers can only input or output out of one device at a time there. And then if you scroll down further on this page, you can also start a test with that microphone or speaker device and just ensure that it's working properly and properly connected. The same thing holds true for the input section. So you have the output as well as input. So you can change both of those settings through here. And you can drag this little scroll bar to change the volume settings higher or lower, again, for both the output and the input setting here. For some people, it may be the same device, so just please keep that in mind. So some speakers or some microphones can also play audio out the headset too. So that's just something to keep in mind. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.